We live in a world where our devices and technology surround us. This is all made possible through the Internet of Things. The Internet of Things not only makes it possible for devices to work with each other, but simplify and make our lives easier. The Internet of Things is a computing concept that describes a future where everyday physical objects will be connected to the Internet and is able to identify themselves to other devices. The Internet of Things refers to the ever-growing network of physical objects that feature an IP address for Internet connectivity and the communication that occurs between these objects and other Internet-enabled devices and systems. The Internet of Things enables objects to send and receive data to each other and be connected to the Internet. Some examples that the Internet of Things can be used with is in public transportation and soda machines. At bus stops, there could be devices that connect with smartphones to give an estimate time of arrival to the stop for riders. Other public transportation services, such as trains, could do something similar to this. In the early 1980s, a group of programmers at Carnegie Mellon University implemented the Internet of Things with a soda machine where they could check to see if there was any soda in the basement soda machine at their university, so to be able to check if there was any soda or not, so they wouldn't have to make the trip down. Cloud computing enables you to save your documents online once and being able to access it from any device at any point in the day and not having to worry about it being deleted. Cloud computing is the practice of using a network of remote servers hosted on the Internet to store, manage, and process data rather than a local server or personal computer. The reason why cloud computing is important is the cloud is always running 24/7 and 365 days a year, and the nice feature about the cloud is that it's all electronic and does not require a worker or employee to run it. After users successfully save their documents to the cloud, the file will be able to be accessed anytime by that user and will be stored on the servers until the document is deleted. Cloud computing with consumers is very important because it enables the everyday computer user to access emails, their music, and documents. Cloud computing with businesses is very important because it not only helps improve the overall workflow, but it also helps the employees because it manages their workload and makes things easier. Businesses use cloud services to back up and share files, customer relationship management, rented servers, and editing documents. Computer hardware is the technology that is found in the devices that we use on a daily basis. Some of these devices include computers, smartphones, video game consoles, and tablets. The technology that we have in our life is not only just powered by batteries. There are more details that go into how our devices truly work. There are multiple different pieces of hardware that are found in the types of technology we use. The hardware that you can find in your tablets and smartphones can be found in many other devices as well. Computer hardware refers to the physical parts or components of a piece of technology that can be found on the inside and outside of the device. There are many different kinds of hardware that can be installed and found on the inside of a device. in the original, sorry, was widely used type of software that programmers and developers use on a national scale. The reason why open source is important because it is it has a unique feature that is attributed with the software, and it's known as free license to code. With this software, it enables any programmer to use any other developer's set of codes and improve the work they have already created. Recently, there has been controversy with open source. Some people have stated that open source is basically a way to steal other people's work. You won't get the credit you deserved for your hard work that you created, and open source is not used for all types of platforms and systems. To wrap things up, I hope you enjoyed my presentation today on the Internet of Things, cloud computing, open source, and computer hardware. All right, thank you very much.